Etegear na Teso province nesikoto mairiamu na sodit kede kigezi apotu itelekasi aboli angin igoloniare kano idiope.
I will only say, where possible, you'll have me in spirit, the team will have me in spirit, I will have the team in spirit in me. So let us continue. This is how you can make a mark. This is how you can make a mark. So the next time when you are going to Kabale, let me also know. If I'm around, I should be able to join you.
John Michael Erebu, Etutoron, Teso province, Ngeseja Yunebe.
Teso is a very good player, and I pray that in the future, possibly even the new coach.
Ari, nada ebuna Etegear, kotoma abuli akangin, ngese buni, ai keikino, adoktait na itimuni wongon, lu awasha. Eriongit, loda epolokit, no amunye late, ko Uganda, ko jena kwafe fufa, neso Carlo ilukuminiare, kedito manakanyare, obo Etegear, amunye late na tekerin, amunye late ngin, nesida abu, ogeun okaru kalo, kotoma arino, atamana kanyangon, noda edukunutai, ko Uganda.
When we shall go back, because we have identified the problem, then we shall get a solution. Because football is about making mistakes. Now after making mistakes, what are you supposed to go back and then you correct the mistakes? So I think that's the match. It was a good game.
Etegear, kotoma munyelte kangin, kese ponio, akorakin, aina nakineta, nuegitigita, Teso, nesiruanana yarate, apedo, adolerai lang, amunyelet, kotoma docket tight, naka quarter finals. Gabriel Esikukaduka TV East, Koibuga Soroti.